The Federal Reserve has delivered the biggest interest rate cut in 16 years, and it's a sign the central bank believes the U.S. has turned the corner on inflation.
The U.S. economy is in good shape. It's growing at a solid pace. Inflation is coming down. The labor market is in a strong pace. We want to keep it there.
The move lowers the benchmark federal funds rate to between 4.75% and 5%. It's the first interest rate cut in years and is welcome news to families like the Warrens, who have been trying to pay off over $15,000 in credit card debt.
A reduction in interest is actually really kind of a breath of fresh air because I feel like we can never get ahead. I just feel like this is going to help make a bigger dent in getting back on track.
And it's hopeful news for many first-time home buyers who have been sidelined by high mortgage rates, like Kate Pesca, who hopes to get more house for her money.
With mortgage rates going down, I'm excited for an opportunity to open some doors to some properties that I did not originally foresee as possible.
The cut is an attempt to bring about a soft landing for the U.S. economy and prevent the Fed's previous sharp rises in rates from tipping the economy into recession. The Fed will meet again in November and December after the election, and analysts say it could cut interest rates again, with more cuts ahead in the next 2 years. Dale Hurd, CBN News.
Well, there's certainly welcome news for the stock market, and the stock market futures are up today. But will it actually impact credit card interest rates? Not necessarily. It depends on the terms of your particular card. Will it cut mortgage rates? The answer is yes, it will. And a lot of people are now saying, should I refinance or shall I wait until the Federal Reserve is finished cutting? But the big issue, and it is a huge issue, is the amount of money that Americans are paying for rent right now. And that is a variety of factors. One, inflation is making it nearly impossible to build new apartment units. And then you have 9 million immigrants that cross the border, and so there is an absolute increase in demand for apartments, and so the prices have gone up. That's a huge blow, if you will, to our middle class. And if you're renting, you're feeling the pinch. This interest rate cut isn't going to help you, and that's the biggest chunk of your budget. I wish the politicians would wake up to it, that when you have excess demand, prices will go up, and they've certainly created it.